Hi again, welcome back. I've completed my FPV conversion on this old 2012 Circa Hopkin PC-9. Here's a short video with some further information, plus a short out-of-ground video test. And the new pan servo is perfect, a true 270-degree range of movement. This is full spec micro FPV. I hope you like it. Here I am just cycling through the 3 flight modes top left hand corner. I dipped this old tinted canopy into floor shine liquid. The results speak for themselves. Much clearer. After the canopy dried, it was then polished with a very good high shine polish. Really pleased and impressed with this, an excellent wide all-round view for such a small model. Should you have any questions or want to know more about the equipment used, or any questions at all, please ask in the comment section below. I'm happy to help. Incidentally, I changed the standard motor for a more powerful E-Flight motor. Much more power now, will be great for big loops and general aerobatics. The propeller is new too. Weather here in the UK has been abysmal for weeks. As soon as I can, we are flying. So stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already. Really helps with my channel. Thanks. I made my own 3-cell monocyl Brun 3000 mAh pack, long flights and plenty of power. They are P30P cells, just awesome power and duration. It's a very small model, but packed with the same equipment used in much bigger aircraft for FPV flying.